to do the correct answer of this problem, okay? 15 minus 5 square plus 10 divided by 2, which equal to how much? Are you ready to do the correct answer of this expression? Okay. In order to do the correct answer of this expression, first we have to follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, okay? We have to follow the order of operation PEMDAS. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? So in this expression, there is one exponent here. So first we have to do this exponent, okay? First we have to do this exponent. Therefore 5 square means 25, which is 50 minus 25 plus 10 divided by 2. So in this expression, one subtraction, one addition, and one division, okay? Therefore, this division has higher priority than this addition and this subtraction, because division comes before addition and subtraction according to PEMDAS. Then 10 divided by 2, which equals 5, okay? Then 50 minus 25 plus 5. So this expression, there is one subtraction here and one addition, okay? Remember that according to PEMDAS, addition and subtraction has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Therefore, this subtraction has higher priority than this addition, because it is found as a left of this addition. Then 50 minus 25, which is 25, then plus 5. 25 plus 5 is just 30. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is equal to 30. Equals to 13. Please like this video and subscribe and be family of this channel.